What's going on, you guys? It's George and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm talking about wellness, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. But I like to promote a healthy and clean lifestyle, whether it's skincare related, hair care, body positivity, but in reality, wellness starts from within. I talk about CBD often on this channel, and within the past few months I've been introduced to 𝗦𝗡𝐶BD, and this company has a variety of unique products such as flavored oils, gummies, CBD for pets, and they even have CBD bath bombs, which I'm dying to try. So today I thought it'd be fun to share my experience using the 𝗦𝗡𝐶BD oil here. This is the flavor green apple, delicious. And we're gonna concoct a little eggnog treat to be a little festive here for the holidays. Now, if you're interested in my review and drink, my little treat that I'm gonna make, then keep on watching. I hope you all like eggnog because honestly, I'm about to show you a killer treat with awesome and very minimal ingredients. Of course, it's gonna be containing CBD. Now, I wanna make sure I shout out 𝗦𝗡𝐶BD because this video is sponsored. Of course, you guys can do nothing but expect an authentic and original review here, to be honest, like all of my videos. Now, this drink that I'm about to make is very basic, but delicious and minimal. CBD is known for promoting many different benefits. Of course, number one for me at least is stress relief. I have minor anxiety, so what I like to do is use this on a daily basis. Typically midday, once you're going through the gigs, have a little vial of this. And that's exactly what this is. This is basically a little dropper, if I can get it open. And you can take this many different ways, whether just applying that underneath your tongue, putting it in your drink. Personally, I like to put this in my coffee. That's my favorite way to take any type of oil CBD. That's my go-to. It dissolves. This one has a flavor to it, so it enhances the drink, and it's just my favorite way of taking the CBD. Now, CBD comes in many different varieties. This company here, 𝗦𝗡𝐶BD, has different milligrams. That's one thing you want to focus on when taking CBD, because the higher the milligram, obviously the more effects you're going to feel, the more it's going to benefit everything in general. So this one is the 500 milligram, and they also have a 250 and a 1000 milligram. So this one's a good happy medium. Now, I'm not no chef or somebody that's really talented in the kitchen. Not gonna lie, it's not my forte. Luckily, my partner is an amazing cook. He makes amazing Peruvian dishes, pretty much amazing everything. So I'm very, very fortunate with him being the cook of the house. Now, we only have a few different ingredients here for this drink today. We have eggnog, I have cinnamon, we have the CBD oil, and I have a few peppermint products here. Very basic, straight to the point. Obviously, I'm making an eggnog treat. Great thing is, apple and cinnamon go delicious together, especially with eggnog. This is a very simple and flavorful holiday drink, in my opinion. It's not alcohol related, but this is gonna make you feel nice. Let's get to it though and get this drink started because I'm feeling a little thirsty, quite parched here. Now, I have my eggnog, which is gluten-free. I did not make this myself. This is actually by Silk, and we're putting this in my Starbucks Reserve cup. Guys, if you never went to a Starbucks Reserve, it's kind of like their headquarters. It is beautiful. It is an amazing experience, and I was lucky enough to experience that in 2019 with my partner and his family. I will never forget it. So we got the eggnog. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the CBD in next. So I'm gonna use a full dose of this. I'm not going to do like half a vial. We're going to go right in and take a full amount. So like I was saying, this is a flavor apple, green apple, and it's not like an overpowering taste, but it is a good flavor. And when it comes to CBD, a lot of the oils are just, they don't taste too good. So luckily these are flavored, and that's why I appreciate 𝗦𝗡𝐶BD's products, because the oils have great options. I know this is the green apple. I also have, I believe, a strawberry watermelon one, and there's a few other ones that I'm dying to try, so living for that. Next, we're gonna put some cinnamon in the products, and I'm only putting a tiny, tiny amount. You could put in however much you like. Me, I like cinnamon, but I don't like too much of it. So this is not no cinnamon challenge at all. So putting that in. And what I'm going to do, I have a little candy cane here. I've seen a lot of drinks that are fancy and they have like the cinnamon stick. I, like I said, don't like cinnamon that much, so I'm going the peppermint route. So I'm gonna use that to stir the product. All right, and that should be good. And I figured this would just be a nice little accent on the side of the cup. So let's get to it. Let's give her a sip. That is delicious. Not too sweet, not too spicy. That is very nice, very nice. And the great thing is about 𝗦𝗡𝘗 CBD oil, it dissolves. It doesn't just like sit on your drink. And a lot of CBD products, from what I've experienced, because I've tried a lot at this point, they don't dissolve at all. So they just kind of like sit on the top of your drink, and it's not the best. So this product definitely does dissolve well. I love it. 𝗦𝗡𝐶BD.com is where you can find these products, and of course I will link that in the description down below. And they have an awesome facts section that provides very beneficial information that you should check out before trying CBD if you are like a new person to the CBD community. There's a lot of things you want to check into and see how it's going to affect you, and it's actually a good idea to maybe even check with your doctor before taking CBD. But in reality, just do your research. And I'm not no scientist or anything, but as far as what I've gathered, CBD for me and my experience overall has been nothing but a pleasure. I'm not going to dive too much into the science of CBD, but I'm somebody that likes to take a natural take on feeling better and relieving pain and stress and just like my mood overall. And that's one thing that this really does. It just affects my well-being more or less. I know it sounds like very cliche to say, but when I take CBD, it kind of just like, it's a mood fixer. It's a picker-upper, and I appreciate it. I figured it'd be fun to read you guys the description of this CBD oil right here, because 𝗦𝗡𝐶BD.com provides awesome descriptions and facts about their products in general. But this one right here makes it sound very tasty. It says, this CBD infused tincture oil features the likes of a crisp, sweet, and ultra satisfying green and red apple, making wellness not only a necessary part of life, but a tasty one at that. So we love a tasty life, right? Of course. So that's pretty intriguing. It made me want to try the product just reading that. And of course, I will leave the ingredients right here if you want to check them out as well. But ingredients are pretty simple, pretty much the same as a lot of CBD oils that I've tried. It has the premium hemp seed oil. Oh, it looks like it has coconut oil. That's new. Apple essential oil. And stevia extract. So great stuff. Nothing that's gonna like make you high. There is no THC in these products. It's just simply CBD. That is all. Very basic, very legal, and delicious. Before we wrap this up though, guys, this product right here comes in many different variations. Like I said, a 250 milligram all the way to 1,000. The price does vary depending on the milligram, starting at $34.99, and this one is $54.99. Now, I know you might be thinking that's quite a bit, but this has been lasting me for several months now. It's not something that I take a high dose of every single day. And honestly, there are days where I don't take CBD products. So when I do typically take this, it's not the full vial. I only put in the full vial for this drink because it's gonna enhance the flavor, so of course. But you don't typically need to use a full amount, and it does last a decent amount of time. Of course, depending on how much you use. But that's pretty much it, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this little concoction that I made. I feel like this is fun. I never did a drink-inspired video on this channel, so I had fun with it. If this did inspire you to try CBD, let me know in the comment sections on your experience. I would definitely love to hear that. And if you're not already, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, hit the notification bell because I upload videos weekly, so you might as well follow me on this YouTube journey. And my Instagram is right here if you'd like to give that a follow. And until next time, say thanks, give compliments, and think positive. And have a great holiday season. Bye, guys.